Hi, I'm Rohit,
Hi, I'm Srishti,
and welcome to the Golden Applets podcast.
So, Rohit, we already had a podcast and we were able to solve some of the questions that student brought to us.
Yes, Srishti, in our last podcast, we solved few questions,
Yes.
and today also I have few questions, and I want you to answer it, please.
Sure, Rohit, why not?
So let's start with the first question. So, Srishti, what is the roughly fees for the CPL training if I want to do it from India and as well as from abroad?
So, Rohit, first I want you to decide whether you want to do a CPL from India or abroad, right?
Okay.
If you want to do a CPL from India, the roughly cost it would be around 55 to 65 lakhs. But if you want to do it from abroad, it would range from about 72 to 75 lakhs.
Okay. So let's move on to our next question. So, Srishti, is there any possibility to get the scholarship for my CPL training?
Rohit, that's a good question that most of the students have doubts in. I would like to clarify that. Currently, there are no scholarships available if you want to do your CPL. However, it purely depends on the state government. If they are able to give you the scholarships, it would be good enough.
Okay. So let's move to our next question. So, Srishti, if I want to arrange my funds for my CPL training, so can you just guide me how can I arrange it?
Yes, Rohit. First, I would like you to make ensure that you have the funds for doing your CPL training. But in case you are not able to arrange your funds, you do not have to get demotivated. You can directly approach your bank for the loan thing and they will guide you based on your collateral.
Okay. So let's move to our another question. So, Srishti, if I just cleared my 12th and I want to pursue this CPL training, so can you just guide me what is the duration and how much time I have to keep in my mind that it will take time?
Sure, Rohit. I think it's a good question to ask because before starting your CPL training, if you want to choose your pilot as a career, I think it's very important for you to keep in mind how much time will it require to become a pilot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So around an estimate, it will take around 14 to 18 months to do your CPL and to, in this journey.
Okay. So let's move on to our another question. So, Srishti, let's say if I am in 12th class. So my question will be, what is the duration for the CPL training for the full course actually?
That's a good question, Rohit, because I think it's very important for you to keep in mind if you want to choose pilot as your career, right?
Okay.
You want to know how much time will it take and what are the factors. So, Rohit, answering to your question, I think approximately it would take 14 to 18 months. It
Okay.
purely depends on which flying school you want to go for or which country you want to go for and do your CPL training. So, there are certain factors also involved in this thing.
Okay, so our next question is, if I become a pilot, what will be my estimated salary?
Wow, Rohit, that's a top rated question. I think everyone would like to know about it.
Okay.
So, after you become a pilot, I think the salary starts from 1.25 lakhs. Then gradually it increases. Basically, it depends on your flying hours too.
Okay.
The salary of a first senior officer would be around 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs. And when you become a captain, it's around 6 to 7 lakhs.
Oh, wow, it's a huge package.
But keep one thing in mind that it purely depends on the airline to airline.
Okay, so for today, my last question is, what shall I consider to flying from India and or from abroad?
So, Rohit, answering to your question, I think it purely depends on your decision whether you want to do it from India or abroad. But there are certain things which I want you to keep in mind. I think there are a lot of factors. First is your financial thing. You need to make sure that you have finances or you have to arrange it for there. Secondly, the weather conditions. Weather conditions in India and abroad are very different. Third, it also depends on the instructor student ratio. I think when I talk about India, the instructor are less and students are more.
Yeah.
But if I talk about abroad, that is not the case in abroad. It also depends on the fleet size of that flying school. I think a flying school with a large number of fleet size would be able to address many students. The aircraft scheduling, the maintenance also plays an important part in that scenario for no interruption of your training.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much, Srishti, for answering us.
Thank you, Rohit, for having me on this conversations. I think I was able to answer most of the questions that you brought in.
Yeah. So stay tuned for more updates.
Follow Golden Appellate.